In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Lodgify. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Lodgify works. Lodgify is a software company that provides a comprehensive vacation rental management solution for property owners and managers. Their software includes a website builder, channel manager, and booking engine, as well as a variety of other features to help users manage their rentals more efficiently and effectively. In addition to these core features, Lodgify also offers a number of other useful tools, such as a payment processor to accept payments from guests, a guest management system to track guest information and reservations, a reporting dashboard to track your rental performance, a mobile app to manage your rentals on the go. Lodgify is a popular choice for vacation rental owners and managers of all sizes, from individual property owners to large management companies. It is a powerful and comprehensive solution that can help you save time and money and improve your overall rental management experience. Core features of Lodgify: property management software, channel manager, website builder, booking system, templates, mobile app integrations, free onboarding, solutions, by business size, by accommodation type. Click on Pricing tab for See the All Packages plan. Vacation rental software pricing that scales as you grow. Now select the currency and package durations like monthly, yearly, and 2 years. For example, if we select monthly duration, the first package is Starter. All the main features to get your vacation rental business started. Price $17. The second package is Professional. Everything you need for growing businesses. Price $48. The third package is Ultimate. Best for scaling businesses with advanced property needs. Price $73. Select your desired package from here. Resources: vacation rental courses, blog, tools, vacation rental guides, webinars, templates, encyclopedia, success stories, help center. Started with Lodgify. On top right, click on Get Started. Now we are on a windows where we selected the properties which we handles. Select any from given. When we click on the Handle Properties option, we are move on another windows, where we filled the details for book and demo call. For schedule a call with one of our experts to guide you through all of Lodgify features. So now enter the name, email address, country, select the number properties which we handles, and on last enter your mobile number. After filling the all detail, click on the Submit button. A new windows is open where we select the demo call date and time. After select the demo call date and time, click on Next. We are on another windows which we see our details which we already enter. Verify the details, tick on Agree to the privacy policy, and click on the Schedule button. So start with Lodgify, click on Login button. Now we are on Login windows, enter the email address or password and click on Login button. You can also sign in with Google. For sign in with Google, click on Google button, and enter the first name, last name, phone number, password, or click on Agree to Lodgify, and click on the Next button. So now we are on Features Selection windows where we select the what we need. Select the desired options, and click on Next button. Enter the number which we handles, and click on Next button. Now select the Indicate Channels, where are your rentals listed, and click on Next button. You will be taken to the dashboard. First, I'll show you how to create your first rental. Click on Create a new rental, and we move on Next windows where we enter the name of rental, and click on Next button. We are move on Location windows where we enter the location of our rental. Firstly, select the country, full street address, city, and zip code. After fill the details, click on Next button. On Next, upload the picture rental, and click on Next. Select how many guests can stay in your rental, and click on Next button. Now set the per night price and currency, or click on the Next button. Now put the description about our place, and click on Next. So you will choose how you want to accept bookings for this rental and click on Next. Finally, rental is completed. Other tabs of Lodgify. Reservations. Manage all your bookings from start to finish with Lodgify's intuitive Reservations tab. Inbox. Communicate with guests quickly and easily, all from one platform, with Lodgify's powerful Inbox tab. The inbox allows hosts to send and receive messages, booking confirmations, directions, and answer any questions their guests might have. By using the Messages inbox, all communication with guests can be centralized and managed in one place, making it easier to build trust and relationships with guests by responding quickly to their inquiries and concerns. Calendar. See all your bookings and availability at a glance with Lodgify's comprehensive Calendar tab. Rentals. Edit and manage your rental listings, all in one place, with Lodgify's convenient Rentals tab. From this tab, you can add new properties, edit existing ones, and manage their availability and pricing. You can also view and manage your reservations for each property. PM Modules. Automate your tasks and save time, with Lodgify's powerful PM Modules tab. Website Builder. Create a professional website for your rentals, without any coding experience, with Lodgify's easy-to-use Website Builder tab. Channel Manager allows you to connect and manage your listings on different travel booking websites, such as Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo, and Expedia from one central place. This makes it easier for you to update your availability and rates across all platforms, avoid double bookings, and save time by managing all your reservations in one place. The Reviews tab allows you to manage and display customer reviews and ratings of your rental property. Reviews. Collect and display guest reviews on your website, with Lodgify's helpful Reviews tab. Reports. Get insights into your rental performance, with Lodgify's informative Reports tab. Lodgify provides an overview of various data and statistics related to your vacation rental business. The Reports tab in Lodgify provides two sections: Daily Management and Transactions Reports. These reports can help keep track of your rental business and make informed decisions based on the data provided. Marketplace. Find and connect with suppliers and service providers for your rentals, with Lodgify's convenient Marketplace tab. Settings. Configure your Lodgify account to meet your specific needs, with Lodgify's customizable Settings tab. Settings section. Users can manage fees, local taxes, promotions, add-ons, derived rates, and external rates. This enables greater flexibility in pricing and the ability to offer additional services and discounts to guests. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Lodgify. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, please comment below. Try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.